So everybody was asking how the Pontiac's running, or I don't know everybody, at least one person did. But yeah, it's running great. It's not having any issues at all. We're on down there, we're going up a hill. We better slow down so I don't get a speeding ticket. The sheriff likes to hang out here sometimes. This is a 40. I was going 60. But we'll get up here to this light, and I'll give it a good run through first and second gear for you. It's got about 150 miles on it yet, so it's still technically breaking in, but you know, this engine, the tolerances on everything were just absolutely perfect, so I'm not too worried about, you know, babying it for a while. It's been my experience on motors, they go where they blow, you know. The break in, you expect to see a little bit of metal, maybe, in that first oil change, and then really should be fine after that. Just as a little rough edges or something wear off of something here or there. But this one went together pretty perfect. So we're coming up to the light here. Make sure nobody coming. All right, we're green. Get it straight here, and then I'll kick it down. You can see, GL's going just fine. Cheap Chinese parts and bearings and everything else. Just running great. The tires were slipping a little bit there. But, yeah. So, I'm happy with it. I'm on my way back for lunch. I just thought I'd throw this video up here just so everybody knows that it's running perfectly fine. I have a small leak in that donut gasket on the exhaust manifold. But I've got a brand new catalytic converter and downpipe to put on it, so I'm just gonna wait till I'm ready to do that, and we'll fix that then. All right, folks, I'll talk to y'all later. It's time for Prepper.